Hey guys, hope you all are fine, doing great. And in this video, we take a look on how you will be able to install the Ease a screen recorder on your laptop PC. Now, in order to download and install this, we have to just open our Chrome browser. And here in the Chrome browser and in the search bar, we have to just type Ease a screen recorder. Once you type that, you have to just press the enter button. Just press enter button and now you see the website appear. Is a screen recorder free download, and here you see the screen recorder free download. Just click on that one. Once you click on it, here you see that is a screen recording, screen recorder for capturing PC with high quality videos. Is a recording. Now we are on the window and we have right now we download. If you want to buy, you buy it, but we need a free one. Okay, so just click on this free download. Once you click on it, it is asking where you want to download. Select the downloading directory. We download this download. So just click on save. Once you click on it, it is, you see it is almost done. Basically, it has an installer setup. Uh, so after that, we have to go to the directory where we download the installer. Just click on this folder icon. Once you click on it, and here we have our screen sorry, is a screen recorder installer. So now we have to just double click on it in order to install it. It is asking you for the window permission. Just give it. Okay. Okay, now we have to click on this install button. Once you click on it, install. It is okay, 67 MB setup. Basically, actually, it is an installer setup, not a fully downloadable setup. After the installer set, when you run it, after that it will download the additional files when you install it. Okay, so it is also totally depend on the internet connection, how fast your internet connection is. So just wait for it. Okay, it is almost done. Just wait. Now it is installing. Okay, first it is downloading. First time we just download the installer, then we download it, and after that, once downloading is complete, now it is installing. Okay, so just wait for it. So for it installing complete. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and also leave a comment if you have any kind of query. Okay, now our installation is complete. Congratulations, our installation is complete. And here we have an record meeting training, record online audio video, other things, stuff like that. So just we have to click on that option, start now. Once you click on it, opening for the first time. It's take a little bit time, so just wait. Every software when you open for the first time, it takes a little time. Now you see our is a screen recorder is installed, and here you use it. Okay, so also you, if you want to upgrade it, you, and here you see the volume option. If you want to select the region, full screen is selected, and if you want to select region according to own, like that, you have to just drag it, and here I want just that region. Okay, and also change the other setting, etc. Auto split. Also open your webcam. If you have a microphone connected, you can do that too. Okay, so in order to record, just click on this record button, like that. You see our recording is started, and now you see here our recording is started, but uh, I stop it there and just stop it. And here you see our recording is done. Maybe you not hear any sound because I had connected my mouse. Oh, sorry, so mouse. I said mic. So while my mic is connected to my PC, you not heard any kind of sound. So you see, our recording is done, and it is recording perfectly. So if you think the video is helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give the thumbs up to the video and leave a comment if you have any kind of query. We will meet in the next video. Stay tuned.